Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog. Today we are exploring something that often goes unnoticed, overlooked, or even thrown away without a second thought. I'm talking about old wood. Maybe it came from a broken chair, a shipping pallet, a crate, or wood scraps left over from another project. Most people see this kind of wood as waste. But today I want to show you how these pieces can become some of the most stunning, modern, and stylish decor pieces in your home. This is where the magic of upcycling begins. When you take something ordinary and turn it into something unexpectedly beautiful, it creates a sense of wonder. It makes people ask questions. It makes them look twice. And the best part is, you do not need expensive tools, rare materials, or advanced woodworking skills to do this. All you need is creativity, simple techniques, and a willingness to experiment. Let us begin with why upcycled wood decor is so powerful. First, wood has natural warmth and visual texture. Even old wood carries character. The small dents, grain patterns, and weathered tones tell a story. When we preserve those natural features, we add depth and personality to our decor. It feels real, grounded, and charming. Second, upcycling wood is budget-friendly. You save money by using what you already have or what you can get for free or very cheap. This makes the projects accessible to beginners, hobby crafters, and anyone decorating on a budget. Third, upcycled decor stands out. Trendy home decor stores sell items made to look rustic, worn, or handcrafted. But when you make something yourself, no one else has the exact same piece. Your decor becomes unique. Your home becomes personal. Now, let us talk about transforming old wood into stunning decor. The first key is preparation. Even if the wood is rough, dirty, or uneven, do not worry. Start by brushing off dust and dirt. A simple sanding with medium grit sandpaper instantly refreshes the surface. You do not need to remove every mark. Remember, the natural imperfections are part of the charm. Next, consider color. Stain is one of the easiest ways to make wood look high-end. Light stains create a modern minimal look. Dark stains create elegance and bold character. Whitewash gives a light, airy, beach-inspired feel. You can also use matte paint if you prefer a clean, solid color look. The most important rule is to apply your finish in thin layers, letting the grain show through where possible. Now, let us explore simple decor projects you can create using old wood. These are general ideas so you can apply them to any scrap or reclaimed pieces you already have. 1. Wooden wall art panels. Cut wood into pieces of different sizes and arrange them in a pattern. You can create horizontal stripes, vertical lines, geometric shapes, or even abstract designs. Glue them onto a backing board and add a picture hanger. Hang this on a plain wall and it instantly becomes a statement piece. Small display shelves. Even two small wood planks can be turned into a floating shelf. Add wall brackets or hanging rope for a simple rustic aesthetic. Display candles, plants, or books to create visual layering in your room. 3. Candle holders. Drill small holes in a block of wood to fit tea light candles. The warm flame paired with natural wood creates a cozy atmosphere. This works well as table centerpieces, shelf accents, or holiday decor. 4. Serving or tabletop trays. Old wood with handles on each end becomes a decorative tray. Use it to hold plants, keys, coffee setups, or bathroom items. Finishing with stain and matte sealant makes it look like something from a designer home goods shop. 5. Plant stands and risers. Different wood heights help plants display better and create visual balance in a room. Even short blocks of wood can raise plants slightly and add dimension. Notice how each project is simple. None require advanced tools, but the results look curated and intentional. Now let us talk about styling. The way you display your decor matters just as much as how you make it. Wood pairs beautifully with greenery, soft lighting, ceramic items, and neutral textiles. For example, placing a plant on a wooden riser instantly draws attention to both the plant and the wood. Adding a candle next to a wooden tray warms the space. Displaying wood art on a blank wall gives the eye a focal point. Next, consider mixing wood tones. Light and dark wood together make a piece look professionally designed. You do not need to match everything perfectly. In fact, variation adds interest. Think of it like layering textures in clothing. It is the contrast that creates style. Here is an important mindset tip. When using old wood, avoid trying to make it look new. The beauty comes from the story the wood already carries. The small scratches, natural grain, and uneven tones are what give the decor authenticity. All we do is enhance it. Now let us address curiosity, because this is where your decor will spark reactions. When guests see your finished pieces, they often assume you purchased them from a store. They ask where you got them. When you reveal that you made them yourself from old wood, the reaction is always surprise and admiration. This makes your decor not just beautiful but meaningful. It becomes something you are proud of. If you plan to sell your projects, this same reaction turns into sales. People love items that look one of a kind. They also love knowing something has been given new life. Upcycled wood pieces do well at craft fairs, online marketplaces, and local shops because they blend beauty, sustainability, and handcrafted value. Before we close, let me share one final insight. Creativity is not about doing something complicated. It is about seeing potential where others do not. One piece of wood may look useless until you place it on a table, add a plant on top, and suddenly it becomes a stylish decor accent. Small changes create big effects, so the next time you see old wood, do not throw it away. Pause. Look at it closely. Imagine what it could become. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you are new here, consider subscribing. We share simple woodworking, upcycling, and home decor inspiration to help you create a beautiful space without spending much. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep transforming ordinary materials into something extraordinary.